Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to organize your online store categories via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS with your Botier email account. Then, in your homepage, look for the Manage Product Category tab at the top of CMS. Click on it. On the Manage Product Category page, tap on the Create Category button to create a new category. Firstly, insert your category name. Next, select the product that you wish to add into the category. Once done, click Create. Moving on, you can create a subcategory for a certain category. You will see the Create Subcategory button at your product category page. Click on it to create a subcategory. Choose your product that wish to add in subcategories. Once done, click Confirm and Create. You can also edit this and deselect items in the future. Next, reorder your category. You can reorder the sequences of your category by dragging the 3 lines icon as shown. Last but not least, Mass Publish or Unpublish category. Click on the categories. Tap on Action to publish or unpublish your categories. You can also delete your category by using Action button. With that, your store is now set. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.